Hey guys, I'm Ben Cadden back with another video with Millennial Millions. Let's get started. Regardless of what industry you are in, every business needs to have a written business plan that lays out exactly how your business will succeed. This plan will be used to provide direction, attract investors, receive certain SBA loans or small business loans, and most importantly, help you continually redefine your focus. This will be a time-consuming process, but it is worth every single minute you spend perfecting it. SBA.gov recommends that a business plan includes the following: executive summary, a snapshot of your business; company description, describes what you do; market analysis, research on your industry, market, and competitors; organization and management, your business and management structure; service or product, the products or services you're offering; marketing and sales, how you'll market your business and your sales strategy; funding request, how much money you'll need for the next 3 to 5 years; financial projections, supply information like balance sheets; appendix, an optional section that includes resumes and permits. So where do you begin? I've compiled 5 important steps to help you make your ideal plan. First, research. A senior financial executive, William P., said, "Research and analyze your product, your market, and your objective expertise. Consider spending twice as much time researching, evaluating, and thinking as you spend actually writing the business plan." To write the perfect plan, you must know your company, your product, your competition, and the market intimately. To be blunt, it is 100% your responsibility to know everything you can about your business and about the industry that you're entering. As I mentioned in a previous video, study your competition. Learn everything you can about your industry by reading, Googling, and talking to who you want your audience to be. Write down everything you learn so you can go back and study it over and over until your vision is crystal clear. 2. Create your company profile. Your company profile includes the history of your organization, what products or services you offer, your target market and audience, your resources, how you're going to solve a problem, and what makes your business unique. This profile needs to be used to describe your company in your business plan. Once you have your company profile written, you can condense it into your 30-second elevator pitch, which should also be used on your website as your mission statement. 3. Document all aspects of your money. What I mean by this is document everything from your expenses to your cash flow and even the industry projections. Investors want to make sure that your business is going to make them money, so having a detailed layout gives them reassurance as to your abilities to succeed. Also, don't forget seemingly minor details like your website cost, ideal location cost, license cost, etc. 4. Have a strategic marketing plan in place. A great business plan will always include a strategic and aggressive marketing plan. This typically includes achieving marketing objectives such as introducing new products, extending or regaining market for existing products, entering new territories for the company, boosting sales in a particular product, market, or price range. Where will this business come from? Be specific. Cross-selling or bundling one product with another. Entering into long-term contracts with desirable clients. Raising prices without cutting into sales figures. Refining a product. Having a content marketing strategy. Enhancing manufacturing product delivery. In the objectives section of your marketing plan, you should focus on the what and the why of the marketing tasks for the year ahead. For every marketing objective that you write, you should also come up with several goals and steps for achieving each of these goals. Then in the implementation section, you want to focus on the practical blood, sweat, and tears areas of who, where, when, and how. Make sure and allocate budgets for each of these activities you have planned. 5th and finally, explain why you care. Whether you're sharing your plan with an investor, a customer, or a family member, your plan needs to show that you're passionate and dedicated and truly care about your business. You should openly discuss the mistakes that you've learned, list the problems that you're hoping to solve, the company values, and what makes you stand out from the competition. Remember this, by explaining why you care about your business, you create an emotional connection with others that will encourage them to help support your organization going forward. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Peace out. See you guys next week.